Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mintable for NFT minting and royalties, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.mintable.app and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see the login interface. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Be sure to double-check for any typos in your email and password. After confirming your credentials, click on the login button again. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to a page where you can enter your email address to request a password reset. Check your email for the reset link and follow the instructions provided. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Mintable dashboard. Here, you can view your existing NFTs and manage your creations. To mint a new NFT, look for the Create button on the dashboard. Click on it to start the minting process. You will then be prompted to upload your digital file. Select the file you wish to mint as an NFT. Next, enter the title and description for your NFT. Specify any royalties you wish to earn from future sales. After filling in all necessary details, review your information for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click on the Mint button to finalize the process. Your NFT will now be created and can be viewed in your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, refer to the Help section on the Mintable website. This section contains valuable resources and troubleshooting tips. Always ensure your account details are secure to prevent unauthorized access. You are now ready to explore the world of NFT minting with Mintable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.